Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ZOM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough day today as the price really just smashed down through two key levels of support that I'd mapped out previously. So certainly updates here need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line up there. Sure, that level still pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But the first update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, and that is when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into the day, that area right there at $1.89, $1.90 was considered an area of support, but with the gap down and then the price breaking down below it at that point, at this moment in time, that would now be considered an area of resistance. So if the price does try to consolidate out and then work its way back upwards, that's where the first big question mark now resides. Not necessarily, can the price get back up to $1.90, but more importantly, can the price actually break above it and stay up above it? So you'll want to keep a very close eye on that area from the resistance side of things if there is any sort of attempted bounce back in the upwards direction. So watch that very closely. And then as far as levels of support are now concerned, got to squeeze things down here a little bit and start to head back into the charts history because as you're seeing here, it's been quite a while since the price has been down this low. But the next key level of support to watch very closely is going to be down there at $1.68. And then after $1.68, next key level down there at the $1.60 mark. So watch those levels of support now moving forward. But all in all, any angle you look at it, this big old pullback here continues. And it's really just a question of where is this thing going to finally find some sort of consolidation and bottom. So we'll keep an eye on those couple of green lines moving forward and see how this continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.